Today we are checking out something honestly super freaking weird. They are amazing in what they do, but it's really, really, really difficult to put them in any kind of drawer in terms of genre. They just do their own thing. The band is called Igorrr from France with 3R at the end. Breakcore, metal, baroque music, folk elements. There's so much going on in this project by a former DJ, kind of. I saw them live. It blew my face off. Their live shows are insane. And they released a new song a few days or a few weeks back by the time I'm recording this and by the time this will be released. The song is called Blastbeat Falafel. Yes, you heard me correctly. This band does things differently. Trust me. But then, if you know Igor, you know what I'm talking about. It's such a weird mix of everything that you would not expect would fit together somehow works when they do it. And we shall jump straight in. I expect a lot of weirdness, weird noises, baroque, chanting, breakdowns, insanity, basically. Their previous two records were insane. Savage Sinuit and what was it called? Singularity and Distortion, I think. That was just nuts. So I'm really looking forward to this. I need something to calm my nerves. And I think this will... Well, it's actually not the right thing to listen to then, but we'll check it out anyway. So here we go. Igor with Blastbeat Falafel. They're so freaking good musicians as well. It's insane. The cowbell, obviously. Some Arabic influences there. But, I forgot the name of the instrument. Yeah, well... drummer is such a beast. Relentless. Freaking catchy. Three minutes of pure insanity, basically. They're insane. They're insane, and rightfully so. They just know how to mix different elements into something cohesive, something that makes sense. I mean, you just witnessed, right? Blastbeat Falafel. Check out their previous records as well. Some records have this Arabic kind of influence here and there, and I really enjoy it a lot, especially if done well. They know how to do it. So I need to dive into some more research. Maybe they are releasing a record very soon. Who knows? So we'll keep you updated. And yeah, check out Igorrr with 3R. 3R. And we'll see each other very soon here. Cheers.